tablet. Now we have 2 thumbs up. Drivers, hands off controllers in 3, 2, 1, go!
Blue Alliance straight into it. Red Alliance 30686 still hanging out by. They might not have started an auto, but U-Force is making up for it with those far scoring, draining them into the red goal and opening up that gate, trying to make up for this deficit. But looks like 31190 might not be scoring either, so this might be a close scoring auto. We have 26897. The Emerald Reboils scoring as many as they can, leaving no artifacts in the ramp.
Drivers, pick up your
This is only a game of 6 points. Red has the lead, but that could change at any moment. We're seeing a lot of artifacts over there by the red tunnel, so you're going to see a lot of traffic over there. Blue wanting to defend that, red wanting to go and steal that for themselves. And now 23400 is going to go and try to take from that loading zone, try and set up something with the far shooting zone. 30686 is in action, doing the same thing, shooting those far shots. Might be a little too far, but we're still having a close game. 31190 taking from that loading zone, just going back and forth. We're seeing a lot of ramp action over there on the blue ramp. 30686 currently maybe out of action there in the, I see a blue light, I see a green light, they might be back. But that ramp is filling up, they're gonna need to move it as soon as possible. Red setting up something with the far shot. And that blue has taken the game away. They're ahead by about 45 points, but that red gate is filling up. Blue's gonna need to be there if they wanna take advantage of those points. 23-4-0, doing a good job of taking control of their side of the field, closing that gap. Only 33 points to Blue. Blue opening that gate, trying to get more of those points, but the Red Alliance is there. 26897 chasing some of those artifacts across the field, but they can't seem to get to it. 30686 almost serving as a blockade for them, but opening that gate, making sure they don't overfill. And now Red Alliance has almost tied this game. They're only down by about 14 points. Blue Alliance needs to speed up their cycling. Blue Alliance 26897 grabbing from the loading zone, keeping their gap as tight as possible. 2340 almost catching up, and that is endgame, and 2340 is needs to set up something with that loading zone. Unfortunately, the 26897 has gone in there. They need to open that gate or they're not going to be able to cycle. And Red Alliance has almost tied this game up with 6 seconds left. There's only a 5-point margin. That motif is going to mean the world to this alliance. And these parks are going to be the game only 7.
It's your Red Alliance. With a score of 176 to 154, the Red Alliance takes match number 110, solidifying 23-400 in the number 15 slot. We are going to introduce teams for match 112.